Hi there. Good afternoon. Welcome to our class. How are you today? Wow, I'm happy to know that you are okay. Are you ready to learn with teacher Hazel?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Let me share with you my screen. But before that, yesterday we learned about addition, right? We add two-digit numbers with regrouping. This time we're gonna learn how to subtract. Do they know how to subtract numbers? Wow, okay, I'm excited to subtract numbers with Faith. We're not going to regroup numbers yet, but we're gonna find the difference of the following numbers. Okay, let me give you the first two examples first. Okay, for number one, we have here 81 minus 60. Just like in addition, we're gonna start here from the right going to the left. So 1 minus 0, answer will be 1. Since you're just going to minus 0 to 1. Then 8 minus 6 equals 2. So the final answer is 21. 81 minus 60 equals 21. Next item, we have here 77 minus 50. Let's have 7 minus 0. Answer is still 7. And then 7 minus 5 equals 2. So the answer is 77 minus 50 equals 27. All right. Now, are you ready to try to subtract in number 3, Faith?
Yeah.
Okay, but before we subtract, can you please read the given numbers? We have here
61 minus 30.
okay, 1 minus 0 equals
1.
okay, that is correct. And then 6 minus 3 equals
3.
correct. What's the final answer, Faith?
31.
Good job. Okay, now let's have here number 4. For number 4, we have
53 minus 42.
all right. What is the answer? 3 minus 2 equals
1.
and 5 minus 4
1.
equals very good. What's the final answer, Faith?
11.
Very good. Way to go. Okay, now let's have here the numbers here in number 5. So we have here
12 to 45 minus 4.
okay, 5 minus 4 equals
1.
correct. And then what are we gonna do with 4? 4 will be, we're just going to bring down number 4. Thus the answer is, what's the answer, Faith?
41.
Very good. Okay, now let's have here number 6. For number 6, we have
63 minus 33.
okay, let's have here 3 minus 3. 3 take away 3. How many?
0.
Very good. And then 6 minus 3 equals
3.
good job. Your answer is correct. What's the final answer, Faith?
30.
Very good. Now let's move to number 7. For number 7, we have here
56 minus 5.
Okay. Let's have 6 minus 5 first.
1.
Very good. And then what are we going to do with 5? We have to bring.
Bring it down.
Very good. Final answer, Faith, is
51.
good job. Let's have here number 8.
63 minus 0.
Okay, what's the answer? 63, you're going to take away 0. What is the answer? It's
63.
very good. Good job, Faith. And last, number 9. Oh, easy one. So for number 9, we have here
60 minus 0.
okay, what's the answer? It's
60.
very good, Faith. Way to go. All right, because of that, here are stars for you in a Save Away heart. Good job, Faith. Ready for more?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Let's go get some more. Okay, let's have here number 10 until 15. Let's start with number 10. Number 10, we have here
61 minus 11.
okay, 1 minus 1 equals
0.
all right. Then 6 minus 1 equals
5.
very good. Final answer, Faith. It's correct. That's 15. Next one, number 11. We have here
23 minus
okay. 3 minus 1 equals
2.
And then 2 minus 1 equals 2. Take away 1. The answer is
1.
correct. What's the final answer, Faith?
12.
Very good. Now let's go move to number 12. We have here
63 minus 57.
50. Okay, thank you. This is 51. Okay, thank you. 3 minus 1 equals
2.
that's correct. And then 6 minus 5. How many?
1.
Final answer, Faith, is
12.
good job. Okay, now let's have here number 13. For number 13, we have
88 minus 43.
okay, 8 minus 3 equals 8. Take away 3. The answer is
5.
very good. It's 5. And then 8 minus 4 equals
4.
correct. What's the final answer, Faith?
45.
Good job. Okay, let's have number 14. For number 14, we have here
13 minus 3,
okay, 3 minus 3 equals,
0,
and then number 1 will be,
1.
okay. 13 minus 3 equals,
10.
very good. Okay, let's move to number 15. Number 15, we have here the given
39 minus 6,
all right. 9 minus 6 equals,
3
one more time. 9 minus 6.
equals 3.
Okay, and then 3 will be, okay, bring down. The final answer, Faith, is
33.
good job. Thanks so much, Faith. You're doing such a great job. Keep it up. Okay, let's have another set of worksheet here. Okay, let's have this. Let's go find the difference of the following number. Okay, let's start again with number 1. We have here
72 minus 52.
okay, 2 minus 2 equals,
0,
correct. And 7 minus 5 is
2,
correct. What's the final answer, Faith?
20,
Good job. Next number,
1 minus 10.
okay, 1 minus 0 equals,
1,
that's right, 8 minus 1.
7,
Correct. Can you please read the final answer? Is
71.
good job, Faith. Okay, next one.
43 minus 32.
Okay, 3 minus 2 equals,
1,
and then 4 minus 3 equals,
1,
correct. What's the final answer, Faith?
11.
Good job. Okay, let's go to number 4. For number 4, we have here
85 minus 11.
okay, 5 minus 1 equals,
4,
okay, and then 8 minus 1 equals,
7,
okay, final answer is,
47,
one more time, 70.
74,
Okay, thank you, Faith. Now let's have here number 5. For number 5, we have here
56 minus 46.
okay, 6 minus 6 equals,
0,
and 5 minus 4 is, 5.
1,
Okay, good job. Can you please read the final answer? Is
10.
all right. Now let's have here number 6.
20 minus 10.
Okay, 20 minus 10 equals 0 minus 0 first equals,
0,
okay, and then 2 minus 1 equals,
1,
all right. Final answer, Faith, is
10.
good job. Now let's go here and move to number 7. Can you please read it? It's
63 minus 51.
all right. 3 minus 1 equals,
2,
and then 6 minus 5 equals,
1,
final answer, Faith, is
12.
good job. Okay, now let's have another one. Number 8, we have
96 minus 37.
31. Okay, 6 minus 1 equals, 6, take away 1. Okay, that's correct. And then 9, take away 3 equals,
6,
good job. Final answer, Faith, is
80,
one more time, 6. Nice try though.
65,
Good job. Okay, for number 9, we have here
35
mhm,
minus 15.
okay, 5 minus 5 equals, 5, take away 5. We can do it.
0,
Okay, that's correct. And then 3 minus 1 equals, 3, take away 1. Okay, that's correct. Final answer, Faith, is
20.
good job. Okay, let's have a short review about the numbers we are subtracting. Let's read it alternately, Faith. I'll start. 72 minus 52 equals 20. Now it's your turn.
81 minus 10 equals 70.
71.
1,
Okay, next, my turn. 43 minus 32 equals 11. Next,
85 minus 11 equals 74.
okay, nice one. 56 minus 46 equals 10. Next number,
20 minus 10 equals 10.
correct. 63 minus 51 equals 12. Next one,
96 minus 31 equals 65.
very good, Faith. And last number, we have here 35 minus 15 equals 20. Thank you so much, Faith. Here are lots of stars for you. You're doing such a great job in subtracting. All right, let's master it even more by having more exercises here below. Okay, let's have here number 10. Can you please read number 10? We have here
41 minus 31.
okay, 1 minus 1 equals,
0,
and then 4 minus 3,
equals 1.
Okay, what's the final answer? It's
10.
correct. Next one. Oh, an easy one, Faith. Can you please read it?
41 minus 0
Equals.
41.
Correct. That is right. Okay, another one here. We have
83 minus 73.
3 minus 3 equals.
0.
And then 8 minus 7 equals.
1.
Final answer is
10.
good job. Okay, next number 13 we have here.
41 minus 30.
Okay, 1 minus 0 equals.
1.
4 minus 3 equals.
1.
Okay, what's the final answer? It's
11.
good job, Faith. Okay, next number 4 we have here this number.
32 minus 20.
Okay, 2 minus 0 equals. 2 take away 0 equals.
2.
Okay, and then 3 minus 2 equals.
1.
Good job. What's the answer, Faith? It's
12.
very good. And then number 15, we have here
89 minus 9.
okay, what do you think is the answer? It's
80.
very good. That's correct. Yay, Faith. Good job. You're doing such a great job. Because of that, let me give you lots of stars here. Good job, Faith. Keep up the good work. Okay, let's have some more exercises here for us to practice and make a lot of progress. Okay, let's have this one.
What about borrowing?
We're also gonna try that. Okay, after this, would you like to also try that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's finish this one, and then we're gonna try that. Okay. So for number 1, we have here
61 minus 20.
okay, 1 minus 1 equals
0.
and then 6 minus 2
4.
that's correct. Final answer, Faith, is
40.
okay. Next number 2. For number 2, we have here
51 minus 10.
okay, 1 minus 0 equals
Equals 1.
and then 5 minus 1 equals
4.
correct. The final answer, Faith, is
41.
good job. How about we have number 3? Can you please read the given numbers for number 3? We have here
63.
one more time 4
23 minus 30.
Okay, 3 minus 0 equals
3.
and then 4 minus 3 is
1.
good job. What's the final answer? It's
13.
okay. Thank you so much, Faith. Okay.
Okay.
Bye,
Bye.
Faith. See you again later.
Bye.